Today I will show you how to release your lower back pain by using this equipment called Theracane. Today, to release your lower back pain by using Theracane, we will be touching three muscles. One of them is the deeper layer of your abdominals, which is the deepest muscle of your abdominal muscles, psoas major. Originates from T12, L5, attaches to your leg. This is also one of your hip flexor muscles. And when this muscle gets too long or too short, it will create a lower back pain. And also we will be touching two more muscles, gluteus medius and gluteus minimus. Alright guys, Theracane is one of my favorite therapy equipment that I like to use all the time. I recommend all my clients to own one. It costs about 30 bucks and it goes all lifetime. So today I'll be using Theracane to release my lower back pain. I'll be pretty much working on my psoas major in the front. Then I'm gonna go play a little bit with my gluteus medius and minimus in the back, which may cause a little bit of lower back pain here. And also I'm gonna touch my quadratus lumbar muscle, which comes from my last rib, attaches to my iliac bone here. So about 2, 3, 4 muscles will be treating today. So hopefully that's gonna release our lower back pain. Alright guys, today all we need, moisturizing lotion, cream, and our Theracane. So first thing I'm gonna do is release my psoas muscle by the help of Theracane. Then I'm gonna go to gluteus medius and minimus, massage those nerves a little bit. Then the last part, I'm gonna touch my quadratus lumbar muscle on my lower back, and then I'm gonna finish it up with stretches. So, lay down on our back. We're gonna get a little bit lotion. Put on where the psoas travels from T12 down, it passes to our leg. It is right next to on transverse process of spine. So I'm going to put on both sides because there is two psoas major on the left and right. The reason I'm using a lotion, I want the Theracane glide on my skin. Alright, this is the most technical part here, the hardest part for you guys to do. It's already going to be tight if you have a back pain. It's going to be bothering you. So the first time if you're going to use this, my suggestion is put your leg here, which is going to be soft, and then with the exhale and inhale, you're going to go to upper part of your psoas first, which is right next to your belly button. It should be around here. And I'm going to hold the Theracane from both sides. Head relaxed. Never lift up your head because it's going to tighten up your psoas. So with the exhale, I'm going to sink in as deep as I can. Just like this. So I'm fairly deep right now. It's really hard to talk. And I'm going to slide it down. Good. So in the progress, you may hear some poppings and stuff like that, or gases, or anything can happen down there. So don't panic. That's normal because we have our intestines there. We have a bunch of things on our way. So the technique again, you're not going to talk because if you're talking, you're going to contract your psoas muscle. Breathe in, breathe out. Focus what you do. Don't look around. Don't talk to anybody. Don't move. Inhale. With the exhale, you're going to sink in. Press it as deep as you can. It actually feels really good. If you're first time doing this exercise, doing this therapeutic move, your body is gonna probably react crazy because the nerves in your psoas muscle, they never been touched since a long time. So we're gonna go to other side. Same technique, right next to your belly button, here. Inhale, exhale. And then when I'm all the way in, I'm going to slide the Theracane all the way down, which is I'm going to travel on the psoas muscle, try to activate the psoas muscle. Inhale, exhale. So this is the easy way to start. Now if you're gonna go next level, you will straighten up your leg. Pretty basic. Head in the back, relax. Inhale, exhale. All the way down. And you can also do from bottom to top. So you can do both ways. My advice, first start without moving your leg when the psoas is short. Head is gonna be on the floor. Inhale, exhale, with the exhale sink in all the way deep and slide down on the psoas. And then second step, you're gonna straighten up your leg, which is gonna stretch your psoas and slide down on psoas. And third one, if you want, you can come from bottom to top, to T12. L5 to T12 on both sides. Both sides. Woo. I already felt a little bit losing on my back. So now I'm gonna go to my gluteus medius and minimus on the upper part of my glute. And I'm gonna use this part of Theracane and I'm gonna kind of massage there a little bit, try to soften up. Most of the time, gluteus medius and minimus get super tight and it also affects your lower back pain. And then the last step, with this part of Theracane again, I'm gonna put a compression on my quadratus lumbar, which comes from my last rib, 12th rib, originates from spine and attaches to 12th rib and the iliac bone. A little bit more. So I'm turning to right if I'm working on my right quadratus lumborum muscle, putting my body weight on this part of the Theracane. So I'm gonna do this on both sides. And then I'm gonna go to other side. I already finished both sides psoas. I'm gonna use this part of Theracane again. I can either push it with my hand, soften up, or I can put the Theracane on the floor and I can roll my glute into it and use this style. And then after that, I'm gonna go to my quadratus lumborum. Since I'm not using a massage lotion there, I'm gonna use my shirt between my skin and Theracane. And I'm gonna put a pressure on my quadratus lumborum, try to stretch it out a little bit, which originates from my spine on my lumbar. And one side attaches to my 12th rib, other side attaches to my iliac. And then last thing I wanna do, to finish it up with a good stretch, cross the leg, turn all the way, turn your head other side. If you have a friend with you, he can actually push this side and you can stretch the leg other side, which is gonna give a really good stretch on your sacrum SI joint here, which is also help you to release your lower back pain a little bit. And same thing from other side, cross the leg, push this down, open that all the way. It stretches the SI joint really good. Stay there for a little bit and come up. This should help to release your lower back pain. Turn these pain relief techniques by subscribing my channel or contact me below www.365ohaf.com.